we have assembled the doors and the hardtop, put it all back together here, and we're going to be giving it back to the customer. He's going to do a lot of the details on it. But we've done the majority of the assembly here for the vehicle. Looks great. The color is pretty spectacular once it's all on there and everything's pieced together. Windshield glass is in, weather stripping. And more of an interior shot of this. We've put the fuel tank cover on there. Looks nice. The tranny cover is being Line-X'ed. That's where that will go, obviously. Just to inform you about that. So it goes back home on a very cold fall day here. But it does look nice. Came out very good. We'll be anxious to see it when it's complete and everything. All the touches are right back on it.